If your Windows computer is having issues settling down, try this guide to get it hibernating once again. So firstly, run the built-in Power Troubleshooter by opening Settings, click Troubleshoot, choose Other Troubleshooter, and then run the Power Troubleshooter. Now allow the troubleshooter to scan your system for any issues and resolve them. Another possible fix is to disable Fast Startup by opening Control Panel, go to Power Options, click on Choose what the power buttons do, click the Change Settings to the currently unavailable link, select Yes on the prompt, uncheck the Turn on Fast Startup option, then click the Save Changes option to apply the changes. Afterwards, restart your PC and then check if the issue is still there. Lastly, reset your power plan by opening Command Prompt with admin rights. Type in the following command, press Enter. Now allow the troubleshooter to scan your system for any issues and resolve them. So that's how to fix Hibernate mode if it's not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.